The Saudi Arabia Red Crescent Authority, through the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society, on Thursday, donated a new ambulance to the Gambia Red Cross Society. The ambulance was valued at over $44,000, and the motivation for this gesture, officials says, is to reinforce pre-hospital care and ambulance service in the Gambia. Hadijaju files in this report.
This new additional fully equipped ambulance not only enhanced the Gambia Red Cross Society's ability to respond promptly and effectively, but also reinforces their readiness to handle emergencies across the country and beyond. Speaking at an event organized to officially hand over the keys of the ambulance, the president of the Gambia Red Cross Society, Fabakary Kale, described the donation as a symbol of shared commitment to alleviating human suffering, promoting health, well-being, and responding to emergencies effectively, saying access to emergency services remains a critical challenge for many.
To officially receive the state-of-the-art ambulance through the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, valued at over $44,000, we told. This ambulance is not just a vehicle, as stated by the DPO. It's a life-saving tool. As other ambulances that were here before, this underscores our commitment to enhancing emergency medical services across the Gambia and even beyond.
He thanked the Saudi Arabia Red Crescent Authority, staff and other partners for their unflinching support, acknowledging that this donation reflects their dedication to the principles of Red Cross. Hamad Ibrahim Al-Rubesh from the Saudi Arabia Red Crescent Authority commended the Gambia Red Cross Society for their remarkable achievements and fruitful partnerships.
Partnership explained to help the another national society and the movement of Red Cross and the Red Crescent to support the humanitarian work, to support, to give the good health care and support the lives.
Abdoulaye Faye, Director of Programs and Operations at the Gambia Red Cross Society, emphasized the significance of this partnership in driving impactful humanitarian assistance, reaffirming their shared vision of building a safer, healthier, and more resilient Gambia.
The Gambia Red Cross Society takes pride in being the sole provider of professional emergency medical services in the Gambia. Through our G+ emergency response services, we have been at the forefront of delivering pre-hospital care, emergency response, and care in transit. This new ambulance further strengthens our capacity to serve communities in need. Over the years, our G+ emergency response services have provided an array of critical services, including leading the response to COVID patient transfers during the pandemic, ensuring timely and safe movement of affected individuals.
For his part, Njogu Jeng, National Service Development Officer at International Federation for Red Cross and Red Crescent Society, highlighted the significance of this donation in improving pre-hospital care and emergencies for the most vulnerable.
The of this ambulance is essential medical equipment is far more than a generous act. It is a lifeline for communities across the country, as elaborated by Mr. Drame, and with this kind of investment, this contribution equips the Gambia Red Cross Society to respond more effectively to emergencies, save lives, and of course provide critical care when it is most needed, as elaborated here again. These resources will directly strengthen the National Society's capacity to deliver on its humanitarian mandate, build trust within the communities, and fulfill its commitment to being there for the most vulnerable.
Director of Health Services, Western One Health Region, Mr. Musa Kamara, also thanked the Saudi Red Crescent Authority and the Gambia Red Cross Society for their humanitarian support to vulnerable communities, in complementing the Gambia government's effort in providing healthcare services to Gambians.
Extend our thanks and appreciation to the Saudi Authority, Red Crescent Authority. We also want, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, to extend our thanks and appreciation in the sense that the ambulance is for service delivery. And we know in the Sustainable Development Goals for health. Sustainable goal number 3 indicates health and well-being of the people. And Red Cross Society of the Gambia are often, at all times, more than ready to respond to emergencies. Clear testimony and evidence-based with regards to that one is during the COVID, just to name a few.
Meanwhile, over the years, more than 2,000 people have utilized and benefited from the Red Cross G+ emergency response ambulance and care in transit services. Reporting for Star TV News, I am Hadi Jajo.